Guys, hello and namaste everyone. So guys, full moon that was started on 3rd of March. The energies of this full moon are there for today also. And today is the last day. From tomorrow onwards, these energies will get start, the effect of these energies will start getting less and less. It will be lowered. So, behalf of that, let's see a full moon tarot spread. What message this full moon wanted to give, wishes to give, because this time even eclipse was there. So, let's see. Because, and even if eclipse do get some of the other transformations, they don't come to destroy you. So, the very first card, presently, what you need to know. Your second card is what you need to release. Your third card will be what transformation this full moon eclipse has got. And fourth card, what divine message is given to you. So, if possible, we will be also seeing clarifiers only if possible or if needed. Otherwise, yes, with these cards only we will be seeing the explanation. So, let's check out the first card presently what you need to know. Oh, it's all related to pentacles, money, your wishes. This is what I am seeing, that you're not able to balance something, and maybe this is a workplace situation that someone is just holding on to their money and they're not giving maybe your required money, and it is clearly seen from the picture because there is one pentacle and another one is empty over here. This is what has been seen over here, and this person is holding this money over here. So presently you need to know about it, that whether to stay in this situation or to come out or to find out solution or to juggle. This is what I would say. This is what you need to know for now. All money this person is holding, see, this is what I'm seeing over here. Just see this, and you just have this one, like maybe whatever you deserve, you're not getting it accordingly. Maybe you're paid less, or maybe purposely you are being said less salary, and or maybe whatever was promised to you is not given to you. So you need to know about it, that whether to juggle or to move from the situation, do some, you know take some action. This is what I would say, what you need to release. So what you need to release is this thing, that whatever obstacles, whatever challenges you are facing, despite that you need to keep on working, and this right opportunity will come towards you all of a sudden. This is what I would say. I guess looking at the first card itself, it is giving me that, feeling that you're not getting what you actually deserve. This is what I'm feeling over here. But if you are, you know uh, facing issues and all everything, and maybe you stop there and there itself, so this card is to tell you that please release your that habit. You need to keep on working. That's the thing. If at one place you're not able to cope up, not cope up I would say, but if you're not comfortable or if you are not getting what you deserve, you need to move on to another place, but you need to keep on working. Maybe you will face some obstacles, challenges, objection, but still you need to keep on working. This is what has been tasted, and according to that, this wheel of fortune will also turn for you. Maybe this is your life lesson over here, that please don't go to the places where you are being kept you are being kept juggling. That's the thing. Please release that thing and keep on working. See new opportunities, a different perspective or new opportunities. So what transformation this full moon eclipse got to you? See, wow, beautiful message. Now this message clearly says that you need to take the stand, and I guess as this message has came for transformation, then you are going to do this. This is what I'm feeling, that you will become so. Now maybe you have a lot of experience about this opportunity or opportunities, and now you have that experience. Now you will take that stand. Yeah, and let me tell you one thing. Looking at the king doesn't mean this is only for men. This is for everybody, because these are just energies. And one thing, mark it very well, that each and every one of us have feminine and masculine energy. So this is for everybody. So you need to come in your power, and you need to be very strict. Now you don't have to put your emotions in some things. This is what I'm saying. And looking at the overall picture, that these two men are listening to this, you have enough experience, you are intellectual, you have all those skills. Now is the time to use it. Okay, just don't keep on lingering over here. This is what I would say. So just come in your power. Okay, I guess maybe you may get an opportunity where you will be the leader also. Looking at the picture, I feel so. You just have to move forward, and you need to be little strict. This is what I would say. Someone who is, you need to be logical at times. You just cannot think emotionally every time, right? So take this. What divine message are you getting? Okay, so I see your wishes are getting fulfilled with the presence of swords and this black color. This divine message is telling you, yes, your wishes will be fulfilled, and that, and yes, but you need to be careful. This is what divine message is there, because there are a lot of energies around you. Energies, as in the way, in the form of people, or energies also that are not in your favor, that are not favoring you. So I see your wishes are getting fulfilled, but you shouldn't share each and everything. This is what I would say. Whatever you are gaining in your life, this is the divine message for you. Because with the presence of swords, I'm clearly saying there are these, some dark energies which can, you know, just like this force can hurt you at any time. So maybe this can be also a message that cleans your house. This can be also a message, because March month is a month of renewal, refresh, restart. Like January and February are just nothing related to, new start. It is just the start of a new year, but actual new start is from March month. So please be careful about it, that you maybe need to cleanse your house and be little secretive. Just don't be very open to each and everything. Keep some stuffs with you yourself. Your wishes will get fulfilled, but yes, obviously I would say that energies around you are not good, so please be careful and don't get scared after listening to this. This is just for your good that this card has came up, and it's trying to alert you, warn you, that don't trust anybody blindly, whomsoever you are sharing with, because you don't know from behind what that people or that person is. Okay, so guys, I hope you understand this reading about this full moon spread that has came up to you. So now it's your call. Looking at this first card, I would say that what you have to do, you have to keep juggling or you have to move forward. This is what I would say. Like maybe you're just thinking, looking like, if I leave this work, I leave this job, I leave this situation in between, everything will stop. No, despite each and everything, you have to keep on moving. So scaring this, if you are not moving forward, then this is a wrong thing. Yes, there will be a tower moment coming, but after that only something good will happen to you, because you have learned your lesson, because you have cleared your karma and everything. So mark it, and please do not put your emotions. This is what I would say. You have a lot of experience, you are intellectual, you're intelligent, so maybe you will get an opportunity where you will be the leader. So look forward. This is what I would say, guys. And before ending this reading, I would like to say that this is just a general reading. Personal reading may vary, so obviously for not for everyone this opportunity you will get, so you can have a personal reading for the same. Thank you.